Hello everyone, welcome back to Product News. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be explaining and demonstrating you about the installation, and I'll be helping you solve the problems which may arise during the installation of an app known as Second Line. So for the folks who don't know about the Second Line app, the Second Line is an application which provides us with an eSIM completely for free, with which we'll be able to make unlimited calls to the United States or the Canada. So with this eSIM, we'll be also be able to create accounts such as WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. So folks, let's now just dive into the video. Oh, and another important thing. I have posted another separate videos about the alternatives to the second line app and the ways with which rectify some more errors during the installation of those alternate apps. The alternate apps and the videos links will be in the description, and you can just go check it out. And this app is actually available in the Play Store, but the issue is if you search for second line, will not be prompted with that app. This app right now, which displays about here, is a paid app, so I do not recommend this app. So the reason behind this is that this app is only available in US, Canada, and the UK. So if you want to install this app, you may actually install a VPN. A VPN is something which will change your location temporarily if until you have the VPN on. So not all VPNs may work, but there are few VPNs which work. The reason only few VPNs work is that a lot of VPNs are identified as VPNs by the companies, and a lot of it has been marked as spam. So in order to use VPNs, in order to use VPNs, in order to download from Google Play, you have to use premium VPNs. There are specific free premium VPNs which I know. I have already posted a video on YouTube for it. I'll try to leave the videos link in the description, so you can just go check it out. So the way we could install second line from Play Store directly, so without things, is that you can just type second line in Google, and if you click on the Play Store link, will be redirected to this page, and here I have this install page with me. But for few users, if you click on this link, you'll be redirected to a page stating that this app is unavailable in your country. For those users, you have to just turn on the VPN. So right now I'm going to click on install. So this application has a 3.9 star rating. So I guarantee this is going to be a good application. So let's wait for the installation to be completed. It's going to take about 10 seconds, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to click on open, and we are now here on the sign up page. So I'm going to go to my email provider, and I'm going to just click on sign up. I'm going to use this mail. For users who have questions about what email service provider I'm using to generate this much mails, I also made a video on that. You can just go check it out. I try to leave the videos link in the description. I'm going to set some random password over here. Right now, most probably will be shown with the error, but let's see. Yeah, text now is unavailable in your country. This is the error which you will receive when you try to sign up on second line. So in order to just rectify this issue, there are some things which you need to do. Step 1, you need to click on this, and you need to click on the eye icon here, and you have to navigate to the storage, and from here you have to click on clear data, and you need to click on clear data. Then the next step which you have to do is you have to go to your VPN provider, and you have to choose US as your country. Once selected, you have to once again choose some other mail. I'll choose this one. You'll have to go to your application once again. You have to just click on sign up. You have to paste your mail address over here. You have to set up a password. So folks, it will be helpful for me if you just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to it, and you can just leave a thumbs up for me, as I'm making this video is completely free for you. It will be helpful for me if you just help me with the small things. If you just engage with my video and interact with my video, it will be helpful for me. So if you are redirected to the captcha, we just try to play this captcha. And once we are done with the captcha, we'll be completely signed up and an account will be created for us. Okay, and a second. It means that this IP address has an issue. So guys, I have now successfully signed up. The reason which I was able to not sign up was because that I had a bad connection which was a spam connection. As you could see, when I was signing up, I had like in the VPN connection, I had about 80% of the load completed. So it made an error. So I'm just gonna click not now right now. So if I click not now, I'm redirected to this page, and that's it. This is how we sign up on the second line page, and we rectify the error. Thanks for watching this video until the end. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on subscribe button and the bell button near subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video.